Hello everyone! I love finding good deals online, especially bulk ones where you get everything for a fraction of the original price. This is one of those finds, so let's unpack it together. I find these bulk deals on Bunjang in South Korea. It's kinda like eBay or Facebook Marketplace, but full of pre-owned collectibles. And this time there's actually a bunch of unused stuff in here too. There's going to be a lot of Sanrio and Shin Chan items in here. Here we have a Pochacco hardcover storage case, which I will use for a handheld mini gaming console. It feels very sturdy. Next, we have 3 sticky notepads, Hello Kitty, Cinnamon Roll, and My Melody. The designs are so sweet. And we also have 3 pocket mirrors, Kuromi, Cinnamon Roll, and My Melody. Simple but cute. Here's a My Melody keychain, and it's a tin case where you can keep tiny stuff inside. Very charming. There are some Sanrio collectible cards in this package too. The artwork is really fancy. I love gachas. Let's open this gachapon. Here we have the piggy figure from Crayon Shin Chan. In Dutch, we call him Bigazoid. Here's another tin keychain, and it's Pom Pom Purin. Let's open the second gachapon figure. Connected to a movie called Our Dinosaur Diary, it's Shin Chan's friend Max in a dino costume. Here's a Shin Chan acrylic keychain, but it's Nini in Kamen Rider cosplay. There's also a lot of Sanrio stickers in this package, including some label stickers. Now we have a bunch of acrylic charms, which can be great for DIY crafts. Here we got a Nini pencil sharpener. Did you know that this one originally comes from a Shin Chan mystery blind box? And these are Shin Chan acrylic stands, which were released in South Korea's 7-Eleven stores. Okay, more incoming. Let's see what's inside. We got adorable erasers hidden inside these milk boxes. Too cute. These are very tiny mini sticker books packed with some wacky Sanrio designs. A button pin with Pochacco on it. Here's a cute Kuromi razor, which I definitely will keep instead of just using it. And of course, we have a whole bunch of Sanrio sticker sheets, but this time it's deco. Here we got Cinnamon Roll, Kuromi, Hello Kitty, My Melody, and Pom Pom Purin, my favorite. But honestly, everything looks as cute. Up next, we have unicorn-themed Sanrio pens. They look so dreamy, and I love the pastel color on them. And finally, a Kuromi photo card book. This is actually perfect for storing all those collector cards. That's my full shopping haul. I'm obsessed with how adorable everything is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you love Sanrio and Shin Chan as much as I do. Bye bye!